Do you want to do the honors?
No, I want you. I'll photograph you doing
recording.
it. All right. See what? Get your best angle. All right. You know how it's supposed to be done.
I don't love you anymore. Father. So. Lovely.
And we have the face, right?
That's fine.
There, right there.
And we've got the face.
All right.
We've got an ear.
We got an ear. And plaster shards. All right.
Yeah, I think that broke pretty nicely, actually.
It does make a bit of a mess, doesn't it?
Yeah, it was still a little wet. Actually.
Yeah, I think it is. So, but it'll make as big a mess when it's dry, I think.
Right. No, I mean, this is the right amount of mess, actually.
Okay.